How to recover recently deleted photos on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get back recently deleted photos on your iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything. Let's get into it. Alright, so open up your Photos app. At the top right, tap Select. Choose a photo, and I'll just quickly delete one to show you how this works. With it selected, I'll tap the trash can icon in the bottom right and confirm the delete. Now to get that photo back, you need to scroll all the way down in the Photos app until you reach the Utilities section. In there, tap on Recently Deleted. You might need to authenticate using Face ID or your passcode. Now tap Select in the top right. Choose the photos you want to recover, and then tap the three dots in the bottom right. From the menu, just tap Recover, and they'll be restored right back into your main Photos library. Photos only stay in the recently deleted folder for 30 days, so make sure you recover them before that time's up. And that's it. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.